to our rolling billboard and our host sponsor for Elko, Neff Diesel, Jeremy Neff, driving the rolling billboard, 2001 Dodge truck V-Pump 24-valve 5.9-liter Cummins. Got the EV 5600 transmission fast fuel system and 35-inch tires. This is his first year pulling with this whole engine setup right here. He's brought to you, just like the rest of us, by Neff's Diesel Repair and Performance. And he wants to thank all of you for coming out and supporting. He's our local sponsor, but we are a national organization. And wants to thank you all for coming out here. Like I say, folks, if you want your truck set up to do what he's going to do right here, he can do it for you. If you want to maximize your fuel economy in your diesel truck, Neff Diesel's got you covered. Anything you need for performance, for economy, whatever you want, Neff's Diesel Repair and Performance has got it. They'll set you up. Get down there. They're on Manzanita down there. Just go in and ask for Jeremy and say, hey, we saw your truck at the pull. I want you to be my diesel mechanic, and he's going to take care of you. Big thanks, Neff Diesel Repair and Performance, bringing you down to Truck and Tractor Pulling Association to Elko after a year off. Shut down under that 75-foot mark. We're going to pull him back to 0. Sportsman drivers to your trucks. Sportsman drivers to your trucks. We're coming to you. It's two-way. Jeremy can hear you through that window that he's got rolled up, helping build up some turbo boost. There you go! Neff Diesel Repair Performance putting on a show for the whole crowd in Elko. Jeremy rolls down the track at 401 feet, 11 inches. There you have it, Neff Diesel Repair and Performance. If you want your truck to do that, get down to Neff Diesel Repair and Performance on Manzanita, because